In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Confluence account. If you're new to Confluence, don't worry. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you're not left feeling overwhelmed. Let's get started by navigating to your Confluence homepage. This is your central hub, your command center, for all Confluence activities, where all the projects and pages you've been involved with are neatly organized. Now, once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking this icon is like opening a door to all your personal settings and preferences. It's your primary access point for customizing your experience within Confluence. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Personal Settings. This selection will whisk you away to a new page that's dedicated to modifying your personal details and preferences. It's a great idea to become familiar with this page because it offers a wide range of options for personalizing your Confluence journey. Once you're in the personal settings, it's time to focus on fine-tuning your account preferences. Look for and click on Account Preferences. In doing so, you'll open a new section filled with options to manage how your account operates, from language preferences to email notifications. Delving into these preferences can significantly tailor your Confluence environment, making it a more seamless fit for your workflow. Moving forward with deleting your account, you'll need to locate and focus on the option that reads Delete Account. At this step, it's crucial to be sure about your decision. Deleting your account means all your personal settings and related data will be forever erased from Confluence. So, only click this if you're absolutely certain it's what you want to do. Finally, a confirmation dialog will pop up, asking for one last confirmation to proceed with removing your account. This is Confluence's way of ensuring you fully understand the magnitude of this decision. If you're sure you want to go ahead, simply click OK to confirm the deletion. With that, your account will be removed, and you will no longer have access to the Confluence pages and data linked with it. And there you have it, clear and straightforward instructions on how to delete your Confluence account. Remember, this action is irreversible, so proceed with caution. We hope this guide has been insightful and that you feel empowered to navigate through your Confluence settings with confidence. If further questions arise, feel free to explore other tutorials or check out the Help section in Confluence for more in-depth information. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.